Hey everybody, I'm Jill Redfern and welcome to Third Shift Movement Shop, home of Literal Technique. This is my welcome video. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Choosing to dance is not for the faint of heart. Dancing is incredibly hard work, and for most dancers, it's one of two full-time jobs. A lot of dancers aspire to dance in New York, but the community is diffuse and diverse, and dancers are everywhere working to dance. It's not likely that most dancers will be able to earn a living dancing. We perform, we train, we choreograph, we rehearse, a lot of the time without pay. But here we are, we're still dancing. When I developed Literal Technique, I had in mind every advanced or professional dancer in any dance community around the world. They may be trained in a community studio, or they went to a conservatory. Maybe they came up through a company, but they had moved to a city to look for work as a dancer. I'm one of these dancers. I'm a modern dancer, a performer, and a teacher. I dance professionally in Tucson and San Francisco, and eventually I ended up in Boston, where I started teaching non-dancer adults, and I started developing my ideas about how to train advanced and professional level dancers. Our early dance training relies on a lot of imagery and metaphor, repetition, trial and error, and all of those things are really important when you're teaching young dancers. I believe, though, that advanced and professional level dancers need to take it up a notch in order to mature, and I believe the way to do that is to learn how the body actually works. When I was dancing professionally, I started to become concerned about ingrained bad habits that I had that I thought were preventing me from maturing as a dancer. So I went into the studio and I started giving myself class, and over several years I developed what I call Literal Technique. Literal Technique is based on the belief that the literal body, understanding the literal body, is crucial for learning, relearning, and repairing dance technique. A key concept in Literal Technique is the idea that the body is a fusion body, what I call a fusion body. A lot of conventional technique separates the body into parts, and in my view, if we keep training a body like it's a parts body, we will never be able to unify our movement. The body is a unified thing. It's not separated from itself. Dance technique is about learning how to control the form the body takes so we can say what we want to say. We have a bigger goal in mind. We're expressing ideas. We want to be able to control the form of the body so that we can do that. Whether you're in a big city or no matter where you are, if you're training and you're feeling like you haven't reached your potential, or you're stuck, or you're on a plateau, or maybe you're looking to strengthen certain things about your technique, I hope that you'll come on your third shift and take class with me on my channel. So welcome to Third Shift Movement Shop, home of Literal Technique, where our focus is learning, relearning, and repairing technique. We're not competitive here. We're not afraid to ask questions. We're not afraid of how it's going to look. Our goal here is to be better dancers than we are today. Tomorrow's goal will be the same.